We are pleased to show you 2004 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, four-wheel drive, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, center armrest, clock. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.